Let's talk about Techy Save, guys. What a massive and exciting program we have here to launch. Membership program, and it's finally, we've been working on this for some time, and it's about to really take off. Mind you, we already have a couple thousand members, but that's the sky's the limit with this. We're looking to millions of memberships, and now we're beginning to start it and launch it. Tim, what are some of these massive benefits, if you're a member?
I mean, I want to first say, we're trying to get more opportunities for our franchise partners, right? So when they open up their doors.
Oh, another revenue stream, 100%.
It's a revenue stream. So January 1st, you're starting to make money already.
Yep.
And then February, and it just keeps opening and opening for more opportunities, you know what I mean? And so memberships are key. I mean, look at Costco.
Yep.
Look at Amazon Prime. I mean, look at these memberships. That's where they're making
dollar clubs, everything. I mean, everything is memberships now.
And that's where they're making a lot of their money. And what a great thing about our membership is half of what the competition is. So what we offer with it is incredible. So again, we fix anything with a power button. So we have Techy Save, and if you join our membership, you can do individuals, you can do a family plan, you can do a business plan, and we're gonna protect any electronic device pretty much with this Techy Save membership. And so
protect discounts. I mean, the sky's the limit with the membership.
Yeah, and that's the best part about it. You're going to get deals and so many different things when it comes to being part of our ecosystem, if you will, under Techy Save. And so this is going to be a game changer, not just for us as a franchise, but for our customers too as well. I mean, they're paying $15 for an insurance, if you will, where ours is half of that.
Yep.
The membership's
and
half.
We're local.
And there's no deductible. I mean,
you don't have to ship your phone out, wait all those times. I mean, there's
get
so
it
many
done at a Techy.
Yeah.
It really, I think the foundation of this service that we're providing, this membership that we're providing, started on the customer level, understanding that the user experience in the insurance world on electronics devices was just a nightmare.
Yeah.
Right? It's all these third parties. I have to call 3 different people. I get pulled in 10 different directions. Oh, that's not covered, or you pay twice for that. And we understood that, hey guys, we can do this in-house. We can create a great experience, relatively quick, relatively inexpensive, right? I mean, we're 50% less than any of the competition.
Mm-hmm.
Most of these repairs we're doing same day. There's no mailing off your phone. You come in, most of the repairs probably within an hour.
Yep.
You'll have your device back in your hands. So, I mean, it is a win-win, not only for the customer, but also for our franchisees creating reoccurring revenue.
That's what it says. Win-win for both of them.
It's a win-win for both of them. And that's we all believe in this. We've been putting time into this, but I think the big thing that we just launched that we're very excited about is giving the visibility to the customer about their plan.
Yeah.
So Tim, tell me a little bit about that customer portal that we've done.
Yeah, we want transparency with our customers, and we want them to understand, hey, what their plans are looking like. We're not trying to hide things like a lot of the memberships, just say, hey, they just ring you up. We give you access on our website to go into your membership and see the benefits that you get, and to see what your bills, what you've been paying, and all the data behind it too as well. So the customer portal is unbelievable. It's right on techycompany.com, and you can log in and see all the transparency right there.
Yeah, we want to show the value.
Yeah.
We believe in this. This is saving you money, time, energy,
Well,
and we want to put that in front of
we
you.
ship every member from headquarters a free USB every 3 months.
Yep.
So I mean that alone, you check in to track when you're getting your USB. Those things go through like candy. So why
Especially
not?
with kids or dogs or cats, or they
That alone pays for the membership.
Or wives,
Yeah.
husbands.
And on the franchisee side, it's another revenue stream. I think we brought up a handful of revenue streams during our talk today, and this is another one. You're talking about a massive percentage of the monthly amount that is reoccurring to each franchisee for everyone they sign up. It comes down to a no-brainer. It's going to end up paying your rent, your labor, and many more bills.
Yeah, and the good thing about it too is, again, we're super flexible with it. So we do have a business plan that covers up to 10 phones, but we can cover up to 100 devices. Yeah. And we can work with you on that price as the consumer and as the franchise partner, right?
Yep.
To customize your plan, because every business is different.
Mm-hmm.
Every situation is different. And we don't want it just to be a cookie cutter thing.
Yep.
We want to build a relationship with that business, that team member, and we want to make sure that plan works for you.
Yep.
So when you come to us with maybe 100, 200, 500 devices that you want to get covered at your business, or wherever you work, we want to be able to say, hey, we have this kind of plan. We can work with you, and we're going to save you this. And we're willing to do those kind of things. So
Yeah, with the hundreds of locations we have across the states alone, so even when you're traveling, something happens, you find a local Techy store, and that membership is good there as well.
yeah, I talked to so many businesses, and we do a lot of repairs for some from big businesses, like state of Florida, and so the convenience, the logistics behind it, just having to be able to just drive to the store and get the phone fixed is huge. I mean, we work with Krispy Kreme is one of them, and they used to just ship all the phones to the corporate headquarters. Now they're sending it to all of our stores, which helps logistically, and then now they're part of our membership stuff, and which is unbelievable. So
Yeah, and I think that just for the brand itself, I mean, having a unified membership program that can be offered at every single location really unifies every techie and every member, and understanding there's the greater good, and the name on the front of the shirt is more important than the name on the back of the shirt type of mentality. And our customers knowing that regardless of whatever techie store you walk into, you're going to have the same opportunity and the same experience.
yeah,
And you're talking about discounts, discounts on your accessories, discounts on device purchases.
Yeah.
It
10%
easily,
off.
Yeah, it pays for itself.
Yeah, it pays for itself.
If you want to buy a
easily.
new device, just come to Techy and you get 10% off just for being a member.
Yep.
So it's unbelievable. So yeah, we're excited. As it continues to grow, there's going to be a lot more things we're going to add on. Who knows? There might be huge prizes that we're going to be giving out too as well. So
Yep, this is just the surface level, but it's something that we're very passionate about. One of our kind of North Stars, if you will, for the 2024 calendar year. And we're just going to keep enhancing it, keep improving it, keep making it better, and driving more value to the consumer at the end of the day. So if you guys aren't on there, go ahead and check us out, www.techysave.com. Get signed up or come into any one of our locations.